In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to register personal name servers for a Namecheap domain, step by step, so you can set up custom branding and point your domain the right way without confusion. If you manage websites, hosting, or client projects, this is a very useful setup to know because it gives you more control over your DNs and makes your domain setup look more professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and hosting guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the domain list section. This is where all of your domains are listed in one place, so find the domain you want to work with. Next, click Manage next to that domain. This will open the settings page for that specific domain. Now, look for the Advanced DNS tab and open it. This is where Namecheap lets you manage advanced settings like host records, mail settings, and custom DNS options. Once the page loads, scroll down until you find the section called Personal DNS Server. This is the area you need for registering personal name servers. From here, click Add Nameserver. You'll see an option to either select a standard name server like NS1 or NS2, or enter a custom name server if your hosting provider has given you a specific one. Choose the option that matches your setup. After that, enter the hosting provider's IP address. This is very important because the name server has to point to the correct server address. Once the IP address is entered, click Done. That saves the first personal name server entry. If your hosting setup requires more than one name server, repeat the same process for the additional name server, such as NS2. Use the matching hostname and the correct IP address for each one, so everything stays consistent. Now this next part is essential. On your hosting server, you need to create matching A records for the personal name servers using the same IP addresses. This tells the internet where to find those name servers and helps everything resolve properly. Without this step, the registration won't work correctly, so make sure the records on your hosting account match what you entered in Namecheap. Once your personal name servers are registered, you can use them for your Namecheap domain. To do that, go back to the Domain tab in Namecheap. Under Nameservers, select Custom DNS, then enter your personal name servers exactly as you created them, such as ns1.yourdomain.com and ns2.yourdomain.com. Double check the spelling here because even a small typo can cause DNS issues. After that, save the changes. At this point, Namecheap will start using your custom personal name servers for the domain. Keep in mind that DNS does not update instantly. You'll need to wait for the changes to propagate, and that can take some time depending on your setup and internet providers. In some cases, it may update fairly quickly, but in others, it can take a while before everything fully resolves across the web. So to recap, you log in to Namecheap, open your domain settings, register the personal DNS servers in Advanced DNS, create matching A records on your hosting server, then switch the domain to custom DNS and enter your new name servers. After that, you just wait for propagation to complete. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy hosting and domain tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.